Did you know that every organ in your body loves something? And if you give it what it craves, you can live longer, feel stronger, and even prevent disease. Let's reveal what each organ secretly loves and how you can make your body thank you every single day. 1. Heart walking daily. The heart doesn't ask for much, just a simple walk every day. A simple daily walk keeps blood flowing, lowers cholesterol, strengthens the cardiovascular system, and helps regulate blood pressure. Walking keeps your heart young. 2. Brain getting enough sleep. Your brain is like a supercomputer, and sleep is its nightly recharge. Without enough rest, memory, focus, and mood suffer. A solid 7-9 hours of quality sleep allows your brain to repair, reset, and sharpen for the next day. 3. Bones sunlight exposure. Strong bones depend on vitamin D, which comes mostly from sunlight. Just 15-20 minutes of sun exposure a day helps your body absorb calcium, preventing osteoporosis and bone weakness. Nature's free vitamin is waiting outside your window. 4. Lungs deep breathing. Our lungs love fresh air and deep, mindful breaths. Deep breathing improves oxygen flow, calms the nervous system, and even boosts energy levels. A few minutes of deep breathing daily can reset your whole system. 5. Eye screen-free breaks. Our eyes are overworked while staring at screens all day. They crave rest. Practicing the 20-20-20 rule, every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds, gives them a much-needed break. This reduces strain, dryness, and long-term damage. 6. Nervous system learning new things. Your nervous system thrives on stimulation. Challenge them by learning a new skill, solving puzzles, or reading. It's like a workout for your brain. It creates new neural pathways, keeping the brain sharp and delaying age-related decline. 7. Mental health being with loved ones. Emotional well-being is just as important as physical health. Spending time with friends, family, or loved ones releases feel-good hormones like oxytocin, reduces stress, and promotes happiness. Connection is therapy for the soul. 8. Biological rhythm consistent sleep. Your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, loves consistency. Sleeping and waking at the same time daily balances hormones, boosts energy, and improves metabolism. Routine is the secret to restful, healing sleep. 9. Kidneys drinking plenty of water. Your kidneys are natural filters. Without enough water, toxins build up in your system. Staying hydrated supports kidney function, prevents stones. This keeps your body's cleansing system running smoothly. 10. Immunity eating garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. It strengthens your defense system against infections, colds, and viruses. Just a clove a day can work wonders for your immunity. Final thoughts. Every organ in your body is quietly working for you 24/7. Your organs are whispering every day, and now you know exactly what they love. By giving each one what it loves, you may live a happy, healthy, and long life.